Behind the engines, a roaring sound. We come together more than just a hobby found. Grease on our hands, hearts beating as one, building our dreams on the road we run. Steel and fire fused in our hands, not just creations, but meaning that stands. In a small workshop called Bus, stories are born, brothers rise among us. We came from different paths and names, united by trust, united in flame.